rich girl with a trust fund, bitches wise speed. Yeah, and she won't wear it unless it's cashmere, and she won't buy it on sale or if it's last year. She hands daddy's credit card to the cashier, and when she goes somewhere she always keep her stash near. She know the deal, we fuck second and we blaze first. She had some work done just so she don't age worse. She'll fuck me 5 times all in a day's work, but won't clean the sheets up, that's the maid's work. At her trance, she looks in the mirror, thinks of who she's better than. Slides a bird to the bouncer that she know I let her in. She's living in a fantasy, she hope it never ends. Cause she's 19 with a fortune to blow, and she's never had to work, that's a fortunate hoe. With a fortune to grow, and a fortune to blow. Munching tricks out of antique porcelain bowl. Yeah, we light up a